Story of my life, searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it feels like wrong, really loves my company. He's more than a man, and this is more than love, the reason why the sky is blue. The clouds are rolling in, because I'm gone again, and to him I just can't be true. But I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I am happy with some other guy. I can see him dying.